Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2013 Subaru Outback, stock reference number 7421. The shape runs from the 4th month 2011 through to the 11th month 2014. It has a double E20, 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. EE20, 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, tidy right side skirt, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, Hayman and Reese tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom, less neck. Tailgate has one medium dent, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has a couple of small dents, right front door has 2 small dents, right side skirt, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav, CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.